Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel and today we are going to have a conversation with a English teacher. He is a very fantastic teacher and as well as he is running a YouTube channel. And stay
Yes.
few minutes, then you will learn here very fantastic things. How can I speak English? Yes, how to improve our fluency and if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new update and new notifications. So, guys, without getting any further delay, let's get started. Hello, sir. You're most welcome to my channel and thanks for connecting me.
Oh, thank you for the great opportunity. It is a golden opportunity for me, and I will interact whatever the questions you want to ask me, and I'll ready to talk with you. And also, I have been watching your channel, and you are doing good content, which are very important for newcomers, new learners. I think you can ask any questions, sir, regarding English communication, fluency, and confidence and consistency. Whatever the question may be, whatever the content, whatever the thing, whatever you want to learn from me, and you want extra, you can ask any questions, sir. Thank you. Okay. First of all,
Yes, sir.
save my
Okay.
thanks.
Okay, sir. First of all, I want to please introduce yourself.
Oh, yeah, yes, very
Yes.
pleasure. I'm a teacher of English language from Andhra Pradesh. I'm a government English teacher and I've been teaching English language for the last 25 years. I'm a mentor, motivational speaker, I'm a software trainer. I'm a YouTuber also. Recently, I've started a YouTube channel and within short time, I got more than 1,000 subscribers. And this is the new thing to start a YouTube channel. And the channel is going on well. My channel name is Govind English Teacher. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Thank
yes,
you.
sir. Yes, sir. I am also your viewer and your subscribers. Daily, I used to watch your video. Yes, and I am improving my English watching your videos. You are great,
Yeah.
sir, and you are having conversation to someone. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Wha-
Actually,
Once, sir,
tell
tell
me.
me, sir. Tell me what you want to say.
Oh, no, no, no. Actually, you can ask any question. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. One question I have. Actually, how can I learn this language? Please tell me some tips and tricks. Who wants to learn English? In he who he is beginner student.
Okay, as I'll tell you
Yes,
within short time, and any language in the world, I think there are thousands of languages in the world. Any
yes,
language
sir.
essentially can be acquired by habit forming process, imitation and repetition rather than understanding application. So after imitating the native speakers, after imitating the experienced people, after imitating the well versed people, no, just have to try to put into practice daily work of life. When you put into practice daily work of life, what will happen? It will be like your mother tongue. The more you focus on listening, the more you can be a good speaker, a good communicator. So first of all, listening is a very, very important. Listening plays a
Mm,
vital role. Listening plays a predominant role in learning a language. And if you're a fluent listener, automatically your listening that makes you a fluent, a confident, a great speaker. So first of all, we have to focus on listening. So that's it. God has 2 ears. So listen more and speak
yes,
less.
sir.
First of all, in learning any language, listening is the first and foremost step. And listening is a small key which opens a big door of communication. So first of all, be listener, then you will turn into a good speaker.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And sir, one thing I have listened, without creating environment, I cannot learn any language. Sir, tell me please, how can I create our English environment surrounding us?
Yes, very good, very good. Once
Yes,
upon
sir.
time, when we were learning English language, like my people, like I'm aged people, no. So in those days, we didn't have any opportunity. We had only the radio. So with the help of radio, we could have learned something. Nowadays, there are a lot of platforms are there. So you can use the Google or you can use the YouTube, you can use WhatsApp, you can use Skype, you can use Insta, lot of platforms there. By using this one, you can learn. About one thing, first of all, try to make friendship with the like-minded people. So
Yes, sir.
what will happen when you make a like-minded people and you can share everything with them. So you ask them to talk something in English language, and whenever wherever you are free, no, then you have to ping and try to call them, and they will interact. Everything should be in English language. So first of all, create a group with like-minded people, at least 3, 4 members. So
Yes,
daily you
sir.
have to interact with them 5 to 10 minutes. So if you interact daily, regular basis, what will happen? Automatically, English language will be like your mother tongue. When you make English language as your mother tongue, so how you learn your mother tongue without knowing any grammar, nothing, any education? Because language is a practical subject, like a learning cycling, like a learning in swimming. So we have to practice practically. So many people they know everything. They know the grammar, language, and they know the words. They know the
Yes, sir.
syntax. They know the
Yes.
structure. They know everything. They can write. They can express everything in written. But when they are asked to talk something in way of communication, they have some phobia. They have some hesitation. They have fear because lack of practice, lack of what we call a proper practice. The practice is important. We have to focus on practice
Yes,
automatically,
sir.
and in the long term, it will be like your mother tongue. So make English as your mother tongue so that you can learn any language. So
Yes, sir.
like English,
Yes.
like
Great,
your
sir.
mother tongue,
Yes.
like other language, you know.
Yes. Now at my initial stage and before one month ago, I had no any English environment. Then I thought, how can I create a English environment? Then I started to making friends who wants to
Yes,
learn English language. Yes.
yes, yes.
Actually, I belong to Hindi medium students. There is no any persons to who wants to learn this language. Then I started to making friends on the WhatsApp and
Yes.
on the Skype app. Yes, sir. In this way, I have created my English environment, and now I have a one two group on WhatsApp and Skype. Yes,
Okay, very nice. You are using the online platform in a great way, good way, proper way, focused way, possible way, feasible way, purposeful way, in a focused way. So that is very essential. The moment when you think, I want to learn, the moment when you put into practice, then that moment also you will learn the language. Language, okay, one cannot learn a language. One should acquire, acquisition. So acquire means practically learning. So learning
yes,
means
sir.
without any practice one can learn. But here
Yes,
for language we have to acquire. Acquire means we have to make it
practical.
experience.
Yes,
Daily work of life we have to make it contextualize in our daily work of life and make it our daily situations. We have to sync the situations by syncing, by involving, by creating situation or focusing on the purpose, the need, the all these things, all these aspects, and which are very important to learn a language. First of all, emotionally involve and create environment and focus on the language and try to talk whether it is right or wrong. Don't think about the grammar rules and regulations, but because English is our not mother tongue, we are not the English native speakers, so we are learners. So that is the other language. So we have to try to make mistakes. By making mistakes, try to say something. So by making mistakes and gradually you can overcome those small mistakes, then automatically language learning can be taken place very effectively, efficiently, effortlessly, and in an extraordinary way, in an extending way, in a great manner. So that's one has to practice daily with a burning desire, with a dedication, with a determination, with a devotion, with a discipline, with a focused way. When you do that, automatically anybody can, because learning language is very easy, like cycling, like swimming, daily
yes,
practice.
sir.
It
Yes,
doesn't
yes,
require
sir.
any
Great, sir.
knowledge. It doesn't require any intelligence. It requires only practice, practice, practice. So
Practice.
the three
Practice
things are
makes
important.
perfect man.
The,
Practice man. Progress man. Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir, that's the thing, sir.
Yes, sir. And one question, one more point, sir.
Yes,
Actually,
ask.
if I talk to with my friends, with if I talk to my with my friends, then I don't feel very don't then I don't feel nervousness and fearness.
Yes,
Whenever I go to the talk in front of the stranger, then I feel nervousness. Then I feel fearness. How can I handle this problem, and how can I face of this problem?
yes. You know, there are so many phobias are there. Phobia
Yes,
means a fear. a fear which is created by ourselves. Okay, because we have some fear, no, that is the fear of failure and fear of new persons. That is the xenophobia. Xenophobia is a phobia which is
Yes, sir.
generally many people they fear towards new places, new persons. So that can be we can overcome. That can be reduced. That can be removed when you practice daily. So
Yes,
when
sir.
you feel fear to talk with strangers and
Yes.
face it and fight it and try to talk
Yes,
it.
sir. Great,
Initially,
sir.
you have some
Yes.
fear, but the more you practice, first time you will fail, second time you will fail, third time you will get insulted. So automatically, after 10 times, what will happen? Automatically, it will be like a habit. So when it is habit,
Yes.
automatically you can overcome. Only
Yes.
there is no
There.
because
Yes.
you have to
Yes,
push
sir.
yourself. You have to
Push
practice yourself.
yourself
You have to
and
put
push
into
your
practice.
mind. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And without practicing, nobody can learn this language, any language,
Yes.
without
Yeah,
practicing.
yeah.
Yes, sir. And there is only one way: practice, practice, practice. Yes, sir.
Yes,
You,
yes, yes.
if you want to remove your fearness, if you want to remove your nervousness, then you have to face problem. Without facing
Yes.
problem, you cannot remove this problem. Yes, sir. You, I am agree with you. I am completely agree with you. I agree your thoughts. Yes, sir. And
Yes.
do you have any questions, sir, for me?
No, no, no. You are doing good job, great job, wonderful job,
Yes, sir.
and you are giving inspiration to those new learners, and you give some guidance, some guidelines, some
Yes,
content,
sir.
some confidence. So, when you want to learn anything, first of all, we have to try to teach. When you
Yes, sir.
teach, automatically you will learn a lot of things. So, you are doing that a great thing. Like that, anybody who wants to develop English language, they should start a YouTube channel like you and try to upload some videos and try to interact
Yes, sir.
with the new persons like me, like experienced people and teachers, some knowledge persons. So by interacting like this, automatically, so sharing our ideas, sharing experience is a great teacher. So and whatever you think, we have to put into practice, and the practice is important, and focus is important, and when you practice, automatically it will lead to permanent and perfection. Okay, and good sir, thank you, and
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
for giving me
Thank.
great opportunity to share my ideas in your channel. I think your channel will grow, will prosperous, and progress in a short time. I think you will be a great speaker within a short time. I hope that you will get it. Your accomplished goal will be fulfilled within a short time. I think God bless you with his the divine power in a delightful way. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you,
And
sir. Thank
if
you, sir.
anybody,
And
one more request to all of you, and if anybody just want to interact with me, and they can ping, and my channel is Govind English Teacher, and also and Thakur also is doing good job, and also and subscribe his channel, and so that you will get a lot of inspiration, motivation, so that you will learn. Okay, thank you, sir,
thank you, sir.
giving me
Thank
this
you, sir.
great opportunity.
Thank you for your great wishes for me. You said very great thing for me. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, giving
yes.
your precious time to me. I will meet you again, and I hope you will meet me again.
Okay, thank you. Best of luck.
Best of
All the
luck, sir.
viewers, best